You've heard about the great game of business, and you know what it is, but you gotta see it to believe it. Attend the Great Game Experience and see the whole system in action, see real results, and talk to people who successfully play the game.
Imagine doubling your engagement and profitability in 90 days. Sounds nuts, right? Well, it's not. It's not just going after metrics and KPIs for rapid financial results, and it's not installing best practices for the lasting cultural change you might be looking for. It's money, it's people, it's both. At the Great Game of Business, we've been using our open book operating system for over 35 years to teach people business. What we've learned in all that time is that when employees think and act and feel like owners do, they make better decisions. And what we have found is smarter people making better decisions are happier people. And when you have happier employees, your profit and engagement will go through the roof. Based on Jack Stack's 1992 bestseller, The Great Game of Business, when people think and act and feel like owners do, everybody wins. And the best, most profitable, sensible way to run a company is to not only give people a stake in the outcome, but also the accountability that comes with it. At the Great Game Experience, you'll get a chance to get a front row, behind the scenes look at what it feels like to be open book. You'll visit a real great game practitioner, someone that has been doing this for years. You'll not only get training on the origins and methodology of great game, you'll hear a keynote from the practitioner themselves, you'll attend their live huddle, and have unscripted Q&A with an employee panel. By the time you leave, you will also have the tool set and skill set to design and apply self-funding 90-day incentive plans to start driving results and engagement immediately. We'll teach you how to design a short-term, self-funding incentive plan designed to rapidly correct a weakness or pursue opportunities within your business. It's continuous improvement driven down to the floor level of your company. Just like the big great game, there's a common goal, a scorecard, and a reward for winning. It's money, it's people, it's both. Last year, the average 90-day challenge, or mini-game, produced an incremental profitability of over $20,000 for companies who played them. What is your team capable of? You won't know until you try it. Save your seat and begin to work on your goal of doubling your engagement and your profitability in the next 90 days.